Very good morning students. Welcome to Narayana Dizzy classes. Today we are going to discuss the assignment key for the class 9 and the topic is transport across the membrane. Let us see the first way. Dash membrane is permeable to solvent but prevents the passage of solute. So such type of membranes are called as semi-permeable membrane and the option C. And the second one, name the process by which molecules moves across the membrane. So the process in which the molecules moves across the membrane, that is called as osmosis process, option B. And the next one, the structure which controls the entry and exit of material in the cell. So in the cell, which membrane helps and controls the entry and exits of substances? That is the cell membrane, option A. And next one, the process in which water molecules leave the cell. So water molecule leaving the cell, that is called as exoosmosis. If it is entering the cell, that is called as endoosmosis. Okay, option B. Next one, osmosis takes place only in which type of substances osmosis takes place? In liquids. Option A. And the last bit, one of the following is an example for semi-permeable membrane. In the given options, which is an example for semi-permeable membrane? That is the egg membrane, option A. Let us see the question and answers. Define the terms impermeable and semi-permeable. So what is meant by impermeable means the membrane which does not allow any substances to pass through them. They are called as impermeable membrane. And semi-permeable membrane, already we discussed in the bits, the membrane which allow the solvents but stops the entry of solutes, it is called as semi-permeable membrane. Okay. Impermeable does not allow the substances to pass through it. And semi-permeable which allows the solvent but stops the solute. Let us see the last question. Write the procedure for preparing semi-permeable membrane. So, egg membrane, it is a semi-permeable membrane. How can you prepare a semi-permeable membrane? Means for this first we have to take the raw eggs. Okay, raw eggs means without boiling or without heating. And take dilute hydrochloric acid. Okay, first we have to take a beaker and carefully we have to fill it with the dilute hydrochloric acid, and in that we have to keep the raw egg and leave it aside without disturbing for 4 to 5 hours. So the acid, it will dissolve the calcium carbonate shells. The shells of the eggs made up of calcium carbonate. So the acid will dissolve that, and after 4 to 5 hours we can get the eggs with a membrane. Carefully we have to remove that egg and wash it thoroughly under the water. And by using a pin, we have to remove the contents present in the egg. Now our semi-permeable membrane is ready. Okay. First of all, take 2 raw eggs. 2 or 1, that's our wish. Keep them in a beaker containing dilute hydrochloric acid, HCl. And leave it for 4 to 5 hours. The shells will be dissolved. Dissolved. Now remove the egg and wash it thoroughly. And wash, and by pressing remove the contents. Now our semi-permeable membrane is ready. Okay, so this is the key. All the best students. Thank you.